double crochets. This is what they look like. Usually for double crochets you start with either 2 or 3 chains, depending on if you're working in the first stitch or not. So I'm going to work into the first stitch and not count the chain as a stitch, so I've done 2 chains. To do a half double crochet you need to yarn over, put your hook through the top of the stitch or wherever you're asked to, yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the next 2. That's a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, through loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull up 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the other 2 loops. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop. You also might like to pull up a bit of height there too. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over,